First, open up a web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type DroidCam and head over to the official website. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the section that says Get the PC Client. Click on the Windows Setup option to start downloading the installer. Once it's downloaded, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file to run it. You might get a security pop-up. Just click Yes to continue. Go through the installation steps like normal. And once it's done, hit Finish. Now switch over to your phone. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for DroidCam. Tap Install, and once it's done installing, go ahead and open the app. You'll be asked for a few permissions. Just tap Continue and then OK to allow them. Back on your PC, open the DroidCam app you just installed. Click Add Device, and it will start searching for your phone. If nothing shows up right away, no worries. Click Refresh Device List a couple of times. Still nothing? No problem. You can add it manually. Give the device a name, and then enter the Wi-Fi IP address that's shown in the DroidCam app on your phone. Click OK, and your phone should now connect. Now, on your phone, look at the bottom left corner and tap the camera icon. From there, choose which camera you want to use, front or back. And that's it, your phone is now your webcam. Perfect for meetings, streaming, or video calls. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.